Hello, Kobe. Today is December 14, Sunday at 12 a.m. We're still awake. Kobe's playing his new toy.
Yeah.
Where did you bought that?
In ATC.
Very good. Okay,
And
play.
yeah. And my dad is fall asleep.
Fall asleep. Let's see. Oh, Daddy is sleeping.
Yeah. Let's play.
Okay, di ka na napalo, no? Nakalimutan na.
Yes. This marble one is very small.
Yeah. Is it for babies? How
Yeah.
about you? Are you still a baby?
Yeah. Bukas mama, tingin daw sa Lazada sa cellphone ko.
Nung
Marble one na malaki.
parang mas maganda, no?
Mm-mm.
Pero pa-play mo pa rin yan.
Alin yan?
Oo, pagka umorder tayo. Dalawa na marble run mo.
Mm-mm.
Is this your favorite toy?
Yeah.
Don't forget tomorrow, you need to write
Sige.
sa
Wait
gift.
lang.
Tomorrow na, alas 12 na eh. Tomorrow na. Kay Santa, no? Okay. Sama mo doon yung marble run din, na. Okay, big marble run.
Big marble one.
Yay! That's nice! And eto, bukas kita natin sila mama. Gigit mo yun, no? Christmas basket.
I wanna tell you something.
What is it, baby?
I built this marble one. This is really simple.
Yeah, I know. You're still a baby. Do you miss playing with mommy?
Yeah.
Yay! I miss you too. Yeah, and you also have your water gun, right? There.
Over there. Look at
Yeah.
this. Come on. Here.
You also got some weird candies.
Yeah. Mama. Over
Hi.
there.
I love you. Go, kiss si mommy, kiss.
Alright.
I love you, anak. Play ka ulit.
Let's play.
Yes. Where's mine?
Here. Wait.
Thank you.
Go.
1, 2, 3.
Wow.
Yeah, I like it. Let's buy Pablo gift tomorrow, no?
Yeah, for my classmate. Akiro name, not Pablo. Akiro. I mean Akiro.
Is he your friend?
Yeah.
Okay.
In recess.
Okay.
I'm always friendly. And I'm not friend with Jessie.
Why?
Because they hate Minecraft. He
Okay.
didn't join my server.
Maybe he forgot.
What?
Baka nakalimutan niya. He forgot na.
He didn't join my server, guys.
It's okay.
Look
Ah.
out!
Yeah.
Oh, watch out! The ball fell out. What?
Sige. Oh, bye-bye, subscriber.
Bye!
Bye. See you on my next video.
See you on my next video. By the way, I'm 10 years old now.
Yay! Advance Merry Christmas.
Bye!
Bye.